Hi there, I'm Sumit, Mid-Market Practice Lead for Avaya EMEA. Now in the next 5 minutes or so, you're going to experience the latest innovation from Avaya Mid-Market UC and CC world. To take this entire customer experience to the next level and also go beyond the digital transformation, Avaya has opened up its programming interface, application interface for its ecosystem, which includes partners and customers, which is going to allow customers eventually to embed their communication into Avaya's unified communication and contact center applications to provide complete seamless experience to be able to manage customers and employees right from the single app itself. And to validate that claim of Avaya, we are going to use a reference of Cara throughout our demonstration. Cara is not only a Avaya IP Office customer, but at the same time, they are the largest diamond jewelers across the Emirates. So our demo is going to be split into 3 customer experiences, then employee experience, and fleet management. So what you're going to observe in customer experience is how the customer of Cara Jewelers can start the interaction via social media, which is Facebook Messenger in particular, land up into the chatbot whose artificial intelligence can greet the customer, and then eventually gets greeted and met by the mobile agent, which is video enabled. Now in this entire journey, what is Avaya engine we are using? We are using IP Office from Avaya, IP Office Contact Center, and WebRTC SDK, which again, as I mentioned earlier, we've opened up for our partners and customer community. That's going to be the first demo. The second demo you're going to experience is about the fleet management, where let's say the Cara customer, once let's say they show the interest to come onto the outlet and do the purchase, the customer can be picked up by the Cara chauffeurs. And to be able to ease that whole experience for Cara, not only the customers but also the employees, we have developed a fleet management application that is going to allow customers to schedule and book a pickup service for Cara customers and bring it onto the Cara location. Once the purchase and transaction is done, the customer can be dropped back to their desired location. And that whole seamless experience is going to be a part of second fleet management case. The third demonstration, third use case you're going to experience from Cara is employee-to-employee interaction. What you will notice in employee-to-employee interaction is not only just a pure mobile-based voice call, but also video calls, instant messaging, barcode scanning, especially for the inventory management, and also location tracking for the staff of employees. Now, to summarize the whole experience, what Avaya is trying to do is personalize the UC and CC experience for our customers and embed into their communication or business applications. Not only that, the entire experience Avaya is going to make available on a cloud-based platform. So it means the comfort and cost convenience of cloud managed services with the personalized UC experience. And that is going to be the theme of our mid-market personalized UC solutions. Let's begin the interesting journey of Cara experience, which is built upon personalized UC and CC application. In the first demo, you're going to experience the customer interaction with the mobile agent via social media and chatbot. And for that, we've got 2 entities in this demo. The one is customer who's right now on a Facebook social media, especially using Messenger, Facebook Messenger. The moment customers start interacting, is going to be greeted by the chatbot, which is artificial intelligence, automated agent. And as soon as an automated agent is done, the call is going to get handed off to the mobile-based agent, which I'm holding right now. So in this role play, I'm going to be assisted by Mr. Customer, which is Sanju. Hi, Sanju.
Hi.
You ready? Okay. And I'm going to enact as a sales agent of a Cara, where customer, which is Mr. Sanju, is going to inquire about the product, and I'm going to assist with the details. Right. So let's get into the demo first. You will see right now, next on screen is the Facebook page of Cara, where customer is quite keen to know about what are the offering from Cara and product details and information. As soon as the customer starts inquiring about the product details, you will notice the chatbot starts replying with the automated answers, which is fed into the system already, which can be again customized. Right, Mr. Customer, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Now you'll notice the Mr. Customer has pressed a command called hi, and you will also notice that automated response from the chatbot, which is again based on a Google Cloud API.ai. Now the interaction will continue to go beyond, just a hi and hello. Now here you will notice that artificial intelligence is going to push the product information of a Cara. And interestingly, you'll notice there is no human intervention as of yet involved. There's no manual agent involved. So let's say a customer is quite keen to know about the rings. So Sanju selects the golden ring, and the chatbot is asking whether he wants woman or a ring for men. He has selected woman, and obviously just to reinforce, these menus can be customized based upon the customer's requirements and not restricted to only Cara as a retail or a jewelry as a retail though. Alright, so customer has made a mind that he wants a blue color ring, and to know more about the product details, chatbot is going to push this customer onto Cara's official website, and the link is given on screen there. If you notice, as soon as the customer clicks on the link, the Cara web page gets open on the next web page, and on the bottom right side the entire chat history also gets uploaded. So that's a contextual based chatting. If you notice, gets passed on from the Facebook where customer was interacting and now onto Cara official website. And obviously here the chatbot can continue to help and assist customer with the product information. Now maybe there's a need now that customer wants to know more about and have a face-to-face chat with agent to inquire about price possibly, and that's where customer is going to invite agent for a call. Now you'll notice that the call is being handed over from chatbot onto the sales mobile agent, which I'm enacting as. Now here I can continue the conversation to provide more details, specific details and deeper detail which chatbot is incapable today. And maybe there is a need now to have a face-to-face conversation for a customer to see agent and then ask some specific questions. So now you will notice that Mr. Customer, who's Sanju, is going to enable a video from his side, and automatically it'll trigger point-to-point video call between the customer and the sales agent, which is myself right now. You notice now it's a WebRTC call which got established between a customer who's on somewhere remote site and a sales agent. I can be anywhere else again, but obviously I'm at the Cara outlet. Right, so I'm going to drop this call now. That's our first use case. Now where we've shown you how IP Office, IPOCC, WebRTC SDK allowed Cara to improve customer experience by adding social media, chatbot and customized mobile agent. Now we are going to move on to the next use case, which is of fleet management. Now Cara had a specific requirement where they wanted to improvise the experience where customer can track the driver location when customer is booked for the limo service and driver is on the route to pick up customer. And to be able to do that, Avaya have developed a fleet management application, and to demo that whole experience, we will use three entities in this demo. One is going to be the customer who's going to be on a mobile, one is going to be the Cara fleet manager who's going to be also on a mobile, and the chauffeur itself who's going to pick up the customer. So to begin with, I'm just going to open up the fleet management application. Now I'm going to enact as the fleet management. All right, so I'm going to be the customer. You notice that the fleet manager is right on this mobile and the driver is on this mobile. Now the first starting point is going to be that a customer is going to request for a limo service, and on a Cara mobile app we've given an option to book a limo option. So I'm going to just tap on a book limo. It's going to trigger an intimation to a fleet manager, as you can see on the first mobile there. Now fleet manager can locate and available drivers. He can see now Chetan is available, which is the third mobile in my hand, and assign a job to Chetan. And we notice now the Chetan, who's a driver, whose job is being assigned, can just accept the job and pick up customer. Now you'll notice that the driver is en route to pick up customer to his desired destination. So all the three entities can now track the progress. Right. As soon as the driver reaches the desired location of a customer, now the driver has to intimate to the fleet manager saying that I've picked up the customer and I'm on my way to Cara outlet. As you can see now, driver has picked up the customer and he's going to go to the Cara outlet. Now you'll notice the progress where customer also can track where am I, how long is it going to take me to reach up to Cara's outlet, as well as the fleet manager. So that's entire Uber-like experience, which is more privatized for Cara to address their optimization of fleet requirements. All right. So that's our second use case. Now, as you've seen the journey where in the first scenario, customer got excited about Cara Jewelers and wanted to visit the Cara jewelry outlet. The second scenario you've seen, the customer was picked up by the fleet management and then bought into Cara outlet. Now we will see how customer is going to serve by the employees of Cara using the mobile app itself. So let's change the role. Now you'll notice in the third use case where sales representative is trying to help customer with the product information, as well as sales employee is wanting to interact with the other sales employee for product details over voice, video and location tracking. So in this particular demo, you're going to observe three things. One is the location tracking, the next thing the video call, instant messaging, and the interaction between the employees. As you can see on screen right now, you've got on one mobile Vishal, who's a sales manager, and you've got a sales employee called Roger on the second mobile. Now to take you through a quick look on the app, business app, this is absolutely customized into Cara's own logo. There is no Avaya mention anywhere because Avaya has incorporated the UC and CC APIs into customer's business application itself. So it's a completely customized app and personalized experience for Cara itself. The moment I log in into the mobile app, this is going to allow me to do voice calling, video calling, instant messaging, including the location tracking and barcode scanning. Cara had a requirement of they wanted to scan about 18,000 different products to get a quick product information on the fly. And therefore, we've given the scan article option here, which you can see on screen right now. Now I'll give you a quick demo of how quickly and easily a sales employee can just pick up the product information. There you go. So I get to know what product is that, how many carats, what is the weightage, what is the price of it, and the similar product range which I can suggest to the customer. So that was one of the experiences. The next thing is, let's say if I need to know more about the product, I need to know more about the delivery or the availability. What I can do right now is I can quickly go into the contacts and look for the stock manager, which is going to be Roger. I need to first find out where is Roger located. So this is the company contact. If you notice, there is a GPS icon on the screen against the Roger. I'm going to tap on that. What you will notice on screen right now is that I get to see the physical location of Roger where he's standing right now. And this is the actual planogram of Cara outlets. They have about 7-8 different outlets in the same area of Gold and Diamond Park in Dubai. How it's going to help Cara is that Cara manager now can do load sharing, especially when one particular outlet is overloaded with customer and less running on sales executives. They can just port one sales employee from the less traffic area to the more traffic area, and this is where the location tracking is going to help. That was the second use case. And obviously, as you can see here, there's a video icon. So the same application is going to allow sales manager and employees to interact with each other over video calling itself, right? Now, as you've seen, if I like to sum up the whole experience, Avaya has helped Cara as a customer to personalize their entire UC and CC journey. Not only that, but make this entire whole suite available onto the cloud platform. So the comfort and cost of a cloud managed services. Thank you for watching.